car won't stay started, or at least if I have my errand things on while I'm driving, it tries to cut off. It's been sitting for like 2 days now, and it's went ahead and started up. So I'm not 100% sure if there's an issue with the alternator or if it's just the battery, but the heads are like fused with the battery post, so I can't actually take the battery out of my car. I drove it to AutoZone to get the battery tested, and it kept kicking the reader off or whatever, so I actually could not get a reading at all. So my uncle is going to manhandle these battery heads off. Everything went to crap with my car my last year paying it off, so yeah, we're gonna see what's going on. So I'm not getting a new car anytime soon. So cranked it up, it started, it's running right now. It's actually kind of quiet, which is odd because it's very loud. But yeah, I will see you at my aunt and uncle's house. Oh, look, I have on red polish while you guys have on those shiny red shoes.
I know, you see that? Booyah, baby. Still insane.
I told Rizzy every time Colo just has something to do and he leaves, he always calls me, what are y'all doing?
I know Dad. He have watched the 7 Deadly Sins. I watched it to the end. That last episode, I didn't know what went on.
Dude, that was another episode.
I went way back.
That was another. We watched 3 episodes, Dad.
No, but what I'm
fell
saying,
asleep on one.
what I'm saying is,
that was.
we know you fell asleep long enough when you was like, what happened? And then when Manzi started explaining to you, you didn't cut him off.
I did not. I was like, okay, what? That was on what we're watching now? Look, that was a long day. Didn't other stuff happen that day? What? We didn't just end up there. I'm saying, what happened? What were we doing before that? I'm saying it was a long day because we came in at night watching it. We did something else.
We went downtown and we went downtown to check out the stage.
That was a long day. We danced.
We rehearsed that morning.
And really, I came to watch one episode.
But every time the episode ended, he was like, you got the other one pulled up? No, you don't.
Right.
I didn't say it on the last.
He said that all the time, every episode.
He's like, Manzi, what you waiting for? You ain't even got the second one pulled up.
He didn't even watch the second one.
On the last. I was that amped on the second.
I'm crumbling up this receipt like I don't need it. I guess.
You don't need it.
Like, that pie that I ate 3 days ago was not good.
Somebody run up at me right now trying to rob me. I hit him with this whole pie.
Hey, look at the moon.
Is it moving away and coming back?
No, it's in about 1 million years we won't have
let's
a
say
moon.
So the
Let's say the
moon looked
moon-
to be bigger than it is right now some time
they say-
ago.
Oh no, it was really close. Yeah, it used to be
Wow.
Yeah. They say
I would have loved to see that.
they say
I don't know if I was.
they
You don't
say
think you wanna see
emissions
that?
wouldn't make it far enough.
Everybody staring at you, get off.
Hey, that was when surfing became. Oh, I didn't even let Manzi in the car.
Waves,
I
man.
didn't even let Manzi in
All right,
the car.
Manzi, thanks for helping us carry this stuff to the car.
She ignored me. She ain't let me in the car.
I'm not ignoring you. No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
Appreciate you carrying everything to the whip.
Let me get one of them candy donuts off you. I don't think any.
Go ahead and crack them suckers.
I don't think any humans were running around.
Get that one at the top right.
The early Earth.
At top right.
This right here?
Yeah. He gonna put it in there. He gonna put his feet into it.
Oh, they're ice cold.
Yeah, they're frozen.
Oh, yeah, it probably would be margaritas or what? Oh, not bad.
Not good either.
These should come with a microwave.
Yeah. It's missing the whole inside of the top.
Look at them. Look at them.
We just walking back in there. We got our receipt. But tell Kelly.
We all holding our donuts like this. Look, you walk in.
We want to return this one. Yeah.
Like,
Only the top tastes like a donut. The bottom tastes like a loaf of bread. I'm on a carb diet, damn it.
Mom tried to warn us, but we couldn't see it.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
I'm on a damn carb diet, and I see I got a little donut with my bread. What the hell, man? It tastes mass produced. Like when this one donut was made, 1,300 was made at the exact same time.
Oh my goodness. Look at this scrum.
I wanted these
Actually,
donuts,
hold
Polo.
it. Hold it.
Try one.
Hold on, let him hold it.
I had one of them big motherfuckers. So you motherfuckers got everything but what you went to get.
Well, the tire department closed at 7. We had got there a little bit before 7. I had to get a new card because it got stolen with the stuff. And I ended up talking to the lady about this week. Gave her a business card. Yeah, we had some talk and whatnot. Then they had this massage chair area.
Oh, they did.
And we went over there and we sat down for a moment. And then we checked out the TVs because Dad's talking about upgrading.
You get to get the good massage.
It was pretty decent. The thing started going above my head and I didn't know what that was about. I don't know anybody that's that tall. But we got these donuts and then this pie. All because of some cookies that we saw. But the tire department closed at 7:30. You know, maybe if we didn't test out the massage chairs, check out the TV,
time in the TV section.
then we probably would have made it.
Oh, there's learning in this, huh?
I don't know what the part you learned is really a lot. It's a lot of stuff.
And they had floaties hanging from the ceiling, and then you called about swimming. Oh, this is an experience here.
Get your ass off. Krispy Kreme. Oh, this is a Krispy Kreme knockoff. Man, why you gotta be eating knockoffs? And Krispy Kreme is right around the corner. I mean, right around the corner. We were saying that.
How do you feel about it? Okay, and
I guess convenience is enough.
how do you feel about that donut you just bit into?
It's a little donut with your bread.
It's alright.
But you got me thinking about Krispy Kreme.
No, but I mean, take another bite and inspect what it is you just had.
Bread.
With a little sugar.
With a
With like sugar on it.
sugar on top. I was
That's
like, the
it.
top part is a donut though.
And the bottom part he said is a loaf of bread.
Imagine talking about some these kind of donuts you give to the homeless.
Hell no, don't do them like that. They already having a hard time. The only reason I'm going fourth is because I know, as a matter of fact, I got milk in the house.
Oh.
And at the very least, I got water.
Which kind of son?
This is a motherfucker.
Ain't that mother like it's gonna absorb it. You ain't gotta worry about sweating for the rest of the night. It's all
You
going in.
gotta dunk these motherfuckers.
Yeah.
If you gonna eat two,
And it ought to come
And
with,
then you
it ought
only
to
gonna
come
eat
with-
one if you dunk
And it
it.
need to come with a mini microwave. Well, I'm finna go ahead and get some of this.
Yeah, is the ice cream in the freezer?
cream.
What the fuck? You see how
We
brown
sitting
that
around
thing
here
is?
talking to you for
Look,
it.
you see how brown that is?
damn, I got real unpopular, huh?
Hey, you know what? You can imagine if you just stuck it back in the oven for a free.
just to heat it up.
Heat it up.
Woo. No, she waiting on it to get dark.
Said she'll give him about a day. You got 24 hours.
Wow, but that didn't make any sense, did it?
All that be saying.
Oh.
Remember that video we made in the kitchen?